Good morning, guys. So I want to run some errands really quickly. It's like a little cooler outside. That's why I have long sleeves and shit on. There's construction going on outside. Like I always tell y'all, it's New York. It's always loud. Okay. Um, I need to go to Home Goods, but I also need to go grocery shopping. So I'm gonna go actually not really grocery shopping. I just need to pick up some things from the grocery store, but I'm not going like fully grocery shopping. But before I do that, I just wanted to show you guys what was it? Bread and Tower 28 sent me. I'm so grateful and thankful for these packages, because these are things that I normally use and would buy anyway. So I'm just really thankful. So let me show you guys. So also this is like this because I saw Lydia Dinga, this is the Tower 28 one, mention that there's this, I'm gonna get it. It's this Amazon thing where you get to cover your name from packages. And I think that is so smart. Oh, that's so nice. I love it. And if you guys don't know, I think maybe I'll link it in the card of when I used Tower 28, part of like the clean beauty brands that I was loving. So I know I always mention, well, maybe not on here. Oh, stickers. I love stickers. Okay, I love stickers and pins. I always put it like all over like my my makeup kit, my bags and stuff like that, because when I go someplace to do makeup, if there's another makeup artist there, we can clearly identify what's mine and what's theirs. So this was I got. So this, I always save stuff like this for like a week in case I want to do like a shoot of products and stuff like that, and then I'll toss it. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I actually have a great idea for something like this. So I'm gonna save this for now. So from Tower 28, I got the Super Dew. So this is the clear one. It's called No Shade. Clear one. I got Power Hour and Beach Please, or Beach Please and Power Hour. And I've been playing with these before I even got them. I have a couple of the other shades and sample sizes. This is like this is the third one of this that I have. Thank you for sending this to me, because I really like this. I know it's weird to say, but to me this smells like pool water, but in a great way. I love the way this smells. And I got, oh my god, is this the one I have? Y'all, this lip gloss feels like heaven. Listen, there are plenty of brands right now that are doing a lot of gloss and lip oil. My favorite lip oil right now is from Dior. Oh my god, I love their lip glow oil. I have other oils from other brands. Dior is my favorite, but this gloss right here, let me show y'all, because I got proof. Okay. See? I've used this so much. I've used this so much. So much. I'm so glad they sent me this. I love this gloss. I love the color. Oh my god. I love it. Okay, let me put it back in a box, because sometimes if I have double of the same thing, I don't like to have it open. I mean, clearly I can see which one is which, but I mean, and especially if I need to give it away, if I have 3 or 4. Oh, the nude colors. Love that. Oh my God. Ugh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy about this. Thank you, Tower 28. And the clear one. I'm tempted to maybe give this away because I have a crap ton of clear glosses, which I also love, but because, you know, I always give to like my friends and family first because I have a lot of girlfriends and we're all into makeup. So y'all, even though I get a lot of makeup and I work with makeup at Sephora and I buy a lot of makeup, when I do receive, and then I just generally get a lot of makeup, it's never too much because I have people to always give it to. So it never, ever, 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 ever goes to waste. Wow, I can't open this box. I'm trying to open the box. It's secure in there. Okay. And I don't know if I mentioned, this was from Bread, the hair care brand. Okay. Ooh, this is heavy. Comes in this box. Well, yeah. And it's their hair cream. This is hair care basics for not so basic hair. Treat your hair while you wear. Hair cream is a silky, soft styling cream that contains conditioning and repairing agents for semi-defined. Oh, this is not gonna work for me. I don't have hair. So this looks like I'm gonna give to my bestie. Oh, look, it's so big. Oh my God. I don't know why initially I thought this would be like a hair oil. Oh my God, that smells so good. Oh, just closing it. This smells so good. But this is definitely something I'm gonna give to my best friend. She has natural hair, so this is gonna be for her because I don't have any hair. Now, if this was an oil, I love hair oils and deep conditioners, but that's not what this is. So she's getting this. But anyway, thank you to Bread. I love that. That is it. The other thing I got, oh, I forgot to open it on camera with you guys, was Mario Badescu. So that's it for that. I'm gonna do Instagram stories for these so I can tag the brands and thank them, and then I'm gonna go to the store real quick and then make it to Home Goods because I don't want to get caught in the rain. It keeps raining on and off. It rained earlier because the sky is so gray. I guess want to see. So gray. But anyway, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It's still very early in the day. It's not even noon yet, so I'm trying to get that out the way so I can finally put my skincare stuff away. Remember, I never got to put it away. Well, I put it away, but change of plans. I don't know if I told you guys that. Oh my God, change of plans. It's not going on the shelves because I have so much makeup and so much skincare that putting them in what do you call this? Putting them in on the shelves, in the drawer on the shelves. I got nervous. It felt like it was too heavy, and I plan on getting more of those. And I just don't want the shelf to break while I'm at work. Nobody's home. While I'm asleep, something. I'm just like, no, I'm not here for that. So therefore, I decided to put it in my closet. I'll show you guys when I get the other drawers, the extra drawers, so I can arrange that. Okay? And you guys will probably always see me just moving or arranging stuff because either I'm getting something new and or I just changed my mind. I always like to move stuff here and there, so yeah. Hey guys, good morning. So I never made it to Home Goods yesterday because it was pouring. Okay? When I tell y'all it was pouring so much when I came back from the grocery store. So I just decided to stay home. Because I was not about to go to Home Goods in that rain. But I'm about to head there now, and hopefully I find the size of bins that I'm looking for. Hopefully. That would be nice. I would love that. If not, I think I'll just settle for the bigger ones because I need to put a bunch of this stuff away. I keep getting more makeup and stuff, and I just need to store them away. It's like all over the place, and it's like when stuff is all over the place in my room, I feel like I can't function properly in my space in my room. So I need to go get them ASAP and get that done because I'm gonna be like busy for the rest of the week. So I need to get that done today. Yeah. Hey guys. Oh. Sorry if it's echoey. I'm in the bathroom, about to wash my face. I'm just about to hop. I'm about to wash my face because I showered right before I did my makeup. Why did I do that to myself? I should have just showered after. So I'm just gonna show you guys when I do makeup like this that's like super intense, what I do to take it off. There's some days, depending on how my skin has been behaving, what I do. And there's sometimes I keep it simple. My keeping it simple might be different from your keeping it simple because we all don't have the same type of face and skin. So this is just what I do when I'm taking off intense makeup like this. And this look, you guys would have already seen it. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it up here. Make sure you watch it. It's part of my Throwback Thursday videos. And this was really actually fun for me to do. So let's get started. After this, I'm really not gonna talk through the rest of what I'm doing. I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing, either like this way or on screen, because this is not my DSLR, so it may not focus, but
like a summer breeze when I fall, like autumn leaves. Wouldn't it be nice to grow old together? 'Cause you're calling out to me, but there's somewhere I gotta be. Wouldn't it be nice if timing was better? Priorities change, but people never do. I would be a fool to think you're worth it to lose. I see you in every corner of every morning. Thoughts that haunted me, and oh, I can't let it be. Blame it on the things we've done apart. Reaching out to me, pull me out, up to breathe. Oh, I'm still yours. 'Cause I see you in every corner of every morning. 'Cause I see you like water rising with hearts are storming. Priorities change, but people never do. And I would be a fool to think you're worth it to lose. Come and bring the rain. Wash.
usually I would go in with my eye cream. I have both to use to the people eye creams, but I like to use this under my makeup, and I like to use the other one under my eyes. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't have it here. I have it with the rest of my skincare. And that's what I do generally. Depending on the type of treatment I feel like I need, I will substitute certain things. Like if I need to exfoliate, if it's like my exfoliating day, I will do that. But these are things that I'm using right now. Like I said, certain days I'll switch like a serum or two here and there. Serums that I don't need to use every day, I won't use. Like this, I don't use daily, but you can, because I use other serums. So I would not use this with another serum that I'm using, because sometimes keeping it simple is your best bet. Okay, so that is it, and good night.
Come like a summer breeze when I fall, like autumn leaves. Wouldn't it be nice to grow old together? 'Cause you're calling out to me, but there's somewhere I gotta be. Wouldn't it be nice if timing was better? Priorities change, but people never do. And I would be a fool to think you're worth it to lose. I see you in every corner of every morning. Thoughts that haunted me, and oh, I can't let it be. Blame it on the things we've done apart. Reaching out to me, pull me out to breathe. Oh, I'm still yours. 'Cause I see you in every corner of every morning. 'Cause I see you like water rising with hearts are storming. Priorities change, but people never do. And I would be a fool to think you're worth it to lose. Come and bring the rain, wash away these rules. Put me in my place, darling, don't let me move. 'Cause I see you in every corner of every morning. 'Cause I see you like water rising with hearts are storming. Like a storm, you